If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. There are multiple ways to convert paths to selections in Photoshop. To load a path as a new selection in Photoshop, click the path to load as a new selection in the Paths panel of Photoshop. Doing this should select all path components in the selected path. However, if desired, to only load one path component within the selected path, choose the Path Selection tool in the Tools panel, and then click the specific path component in the path to load as a selection to select it. After making your desired path or path component selection, then click the Load Path as a Selection button at the bottom of the Paths panel to load the selected paths as a new selection in Photoshop. Alternatively, to load your selection and have it interact with another existing selection, right-click the selected path or path components to load into the selection. In the pop-up menu that then appears, choose the Make Selection command to then open the Make Selection dialog box. Here, enter a feathering radius if desired into the Feather Radius field. To apply anti-aliasing to the selection, check the Anti-Aliased checkbox. Then select the desired operation to perform with the existing selection by choosing the desired option button in the Operation section of the dialog box. Then click the OK button to load your selected path or path components as a selection and combine it with the existing selection based on the option you chose. Alternatively, after creating a path using any of the pen tools or shape tools in Photoshop, you can immediately load the path as a selection by clicking the Selection button that appears in the Options Bar control panel to open the Make Selection dialog box, where you can finish loading the selection as was just described. You can also access this same button if you select Path Components using the Path Selection tool in Photoshop, and then switch to one of the Pen tools or Shape tools if desired. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.